Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go over my three trades that I took. I'm not gonna lie, I overtraded. I just didn't realize it. Okay, a demon took control of me. All right. But yeah. Anyways, so for GU, my bias today was bearish. Um, but yeah, I got clapped 3 times. So I'm gonna just disclaimer. Okay. But yeah. So basically, when I came into the charts, I saw this 1 hour SIBI right here. As you can see, it was respecting it at 9, and then at 10 a.m. it was still respecting it. So this is a 10 a.m. close, and that's when I started trading. 7 a.m. Eastern, I mean PST, and 10 a.m. Eastern. So that was a 1 hour, and then I went down to the what's it called? To the 1 minute. Okay, went down to the 1 minute, and I saw that price took out these two highs, which are kind of like relatively equal highs. All this liquidity right here, all this liquidity right here got taken out, and then once again right there. And then once price broke this low, I went to the charts around 9:45 and I saw like low get taken out, so I was like, okay, I'm bearish. And then I saw this breaker right here, kind of like a breaker. I'm not completely sure if this is a breaker. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but kind of like a lower time frame breaker. It didn't move away from it like I wanted it to, but I still kind of wanted to take it. So I got in like right over here in confluence with this fair value gap as well, and I put my stop loss above this high. I was in the trade for literally, I was aiming for this low as well. So I was in the trade for literally like 2 minutes, and then once price started ramming up like that, I was like, okay, I'm out. And that was like a 0.5% loss. I'm risking 1%, by the way. So yeah, that was that. And then once price did that, I thought, okay, I think we were gonna go bullish, because it kind of looked like price was accumulating, and then it manipulated right here, and then it's gonna distribute to these relatively equal highs over here. All this liquidity over here, this liquidity right here. That's what I thought it looked like price was doing. And at the same time as well, because for EU, look what price was doing. I thought price was going to continue up into this liquidity right here as well. So yeah, that was my second GU trade. My entry was around over here, somewhere over here, and then I put my stop like right here. I'm not sure if I got out of the trade or if I just I think I got out of the trade earlier, somewhere around here. But yeah, that was the second loss, and then the third loss on EU was this right here. I still think my narrative is correct. I just the market is gonna keep teaching me this lesson that if I don't have a safe stop loss, you're gonna get fucked every single time. So this is the last time I ever placed a trade with a stop loss at a fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of stupid of me to do that because I knew price had that potential of coming back here. So really, my stop loss should have been right here or below here. But as you can see, I thought I was on the right side of the market at the time, and since the macro was here, I thought price was gonna. So the 1050 macro was like right here. I thought price was gonna absolutely rail this high with the macro, but I guess the macro wanted to reprice to this low or to this fair value gap, and then now it's gonna continue higher. But I'm not gonna take this trade either way. I could, but it's 11 a.m. and that's against my rules. So yeah. Once price broke above this, I treated this fair value gap as an inverted fair value gap, this IFVG right here. And then I started, just tape reading. Price broke below this order block, so I was like, okay, this trade is basically over. But yeah, I had hopes for this trade, and I still do. It's just that I had the wrong timing on it and the wrong stop loss. I mean, the stop loss should have been here, but I was just being a greedy motherfucker, and I wanted to catch less pips but a higher RR. You know how it be. Just like it's just human nature, and I gotta allow myself to be human, but at the same time, I gotta fix what's wrong. So. Yeah, that's one thing I'm definitely gonna fix in the next few weeks. I'm not allowing myself to put a stop loss that stupidly. Okay, this is also only like a 6.5 pip stop loss. I shouldn't have been greedy like that, anyways. But yeah, those are the three trades I took. On the higher time frame, I didn't really have a higher time frame bias other than this fair value gap right here, or I mean this BISI and the consequent encroachment of it. So when it rallied off on Thursday, August 3rd, that's when my bias switched to bullish for all the Forex pairs with the dollar in it. So yeah, and then price came back down, respected the fair value gap again, and then it started to rally up on the daily today. Also on the 4-hour time frame, this fair value gap turned into an inverted fair value gap here. So that was also my confluence when it broke above the fair value gap and then came back right here. That was another confluence, and then now price is just kind of playing around. Usually price doesn't do this, but it is what it is. Days like this are going to happen. If I don't have the right stop loss placement, shit like this is gonna happen. So I gotta be prepared for that, and obviously I wasn't. So but yeah, that's the end of the trade recap. I hope you learned something out of it. I hope you enjoyed seeing me get absolutely fucked in the market today. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.